Hey guys, Christina here. So as you can see, I have changed rooms again. I know the last video that I did and the lighting was pretty horrible. So I found this little spot in my room. So today I am going to be talking about these three little beauties. Ooh, almost dropped one that I picked up last week from Jane Iredale. They are lip antique tints and they are incredible. These are just a little travel size samples that we got, and they are so amazing. And I also want to do this video because it is coming up, well, it is spring in the southern hemispheres and summer soon, and obviously we are going into winter, although that here in Hong Kong lasts usually a month. So I just wanted to bring, talk about some fresh, bright colours. Because I only got them last week, I just wanted to let you know that Jane Iredale, if you didn't know, is a natural brand and it's been around for quite some time. I used to work with it a lot when I was at Māori TV. So we got these little samples, and the benefits are they're non-drying, long-lasting, all natural stain, adjust to your own chemistry for an irresistible pink shade that will flatter your skin's undertone. In it is so yum. It's got olive butter, avocado butter, and wild rose wax, which soothes and softens the skin. The rose flower wax and beeswax nourish and moisturize. And I can definitely agree with those claims because I absolutely love them. And because they're so easy to use. So I'm just going to use this one, which is Forever Red, on my lips, and then I will use the Susan shade on my cheeks. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So apply it to your lips. I might just have to put that down because it's quite too high. So apply it to your lips, and you'll see it's actually quite an orangey shade on my lips, but it's so nice and super buttery, super moisturizing. It's just really, really nice. And once it kind of like fades, it actually leaves a really nice stain on your lips, so then you still have something left over. But it's so easy to apply, so you can just quickly top up when needed. And then with the Susan, to put it on the top of my hand, because then I can use my KTK brush. So I've got it on my hand like so. Add to the brush, little smile, and then just dab it onto your cheek area. And I love it because it just gives a nice little shine without being powdery. Though I do love powder blushes. And then put on the other side. Again, smiling. And just like that, it just gives you a really nice natural flush of colour without it being too full on. And I just like to blend out the edges as well. And there you have it. So easy, so simple, so effective, and it's really good for your skin or your lips, especially because it's so moisturizing and rich in waxes and all that kind of thing. And super easy to put on your cheeks. So yeah, I hope that helps. If you're based in Hong Kong, let me know. We can get it ordered to you. Otherwise, they do sell worldwide, so just look at their websites. Again, as usual, if you have any questions or would like me to do any videos, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to do so. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye.